How to import pictures and videos in CapCut Desktop. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can import videos and pictures in CapCut Desktop. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step here is open up your CapCut and then start a new project. Tap on New Project to start a new project. After you do that, you'll see the import option right here. You can tap on this, and after you tap on this, you can head over to any place in any folder where you have pictures and videos. After you do have that, you can select multiple photos and videos like this, and you can tap on open to import it. As you can see, I've just imported a photo and a video. Now to drag this here, all you have to do is, as I said, drag and drop, and the video and the picture will have been imported. Now that's the one way you can do this. The other way is open up your folder directly, head over to the folder. So let's head over to a folder here, again to the same folder, and simply you can drag this and drop it right here as well. And again, just tap on the plus icon or simply drag it here to add it to your timeline. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.